Oh, hi there. I didn't see you. I was busy admiring this masterpiece of a dishwasher. I'm Daniel, your friendly LG expert. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about the LG QuadWash dishwasher, how it can leave your dishes sparkling, hygienically clean. Why is it called QuadWash? That's because it has 4 spray arms instead of 2. QuadWash provides a stronger cleaning performance to clean every dish on every rack in your dishwasher. 2 of the 4 arms are multi-motion arms, rotating back and forth while spinning to provide enhanced coverage to ensure every dish in your dishwasher is clean. Take care of your nails with no hands pre-wash, while TruSteam takes care of your baked-on, caked-on dishes, leaving them sparkly clean with less water spots. What is the point of having a dishwasher if you still have to pre-wash your dishes by hands? Well, LG QuadWash offers you TruSteam to ensure that it melts away stubborn residues from your dishes. Imagine watching your favorite TV program and your dishwasher is running at the same time and you can hardly hear a thing because of the noise coming out of your dishwasher. Well, with LG QuadWash, there's no need to worry about that. It uses inverter direct drive motor with noise level of only 41 decibel. That means you can actually operate your machine in a library without disturbing the people there. The steam jets release TruSteam, which is powerful yet gentle, suitable for both heavy-duty pots and glasses. LG QuadWash dishwasher also comes with Easy Rack Plus, which is height adjustable to ensure that it accommodates taller items. Loading a dishwasher must not feel like a gladiator challenge. That is why LG QuadWash comes with small foldable tines to ensure that you load the dishes however you want. You also have height adjustable third rack for more space. The machine also has Smart ThinQ, where you can monitor energy consumption, do smart diagnosis, as well as download news cycles. So, what more can you ask for in a dishwasher? From inverter direct drive motor to QuadWash with 4 spray arms, TruSteam, Easy Rack, and Smart ThinQ. This is LG QuadWash dishwasher, your choice for a better life.